Hello and welcome back to our channel Investment Edge. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 stocks to invest in. These companies are some of the most successful and innovative in the world, and investing in them could potentially bring huge returns. Before we dive in, remember that investing always carries risk, and it's important to do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that being said, let's get started. Number 1, Apple, AAPL, current price, $128.10, average price over last 12 months, $155.20. Apple is one of the most recognizable tech companies in the world, known for its iPhones, Macs, and other devices. One of the largest tech companies in the world, known for its iPhones, iPads, and Mac computers. Apple's strong brand, loyal customer base, and innovative products have contributed to its financial success. The company has consistently performed well over the years, reporting $365.7 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2021. With a market capitalization of around $2.4 trillion, Apple is a strong choice for any investor looking for stability in the tech industry. Number 2, Amazon, AMZN, current price, $4,422.10, average price over last 12 months, $3,410.50. The largest online retailer in the world, Amazon has also expanded into cloud services, streaming media, and even physical stores. The company's founder, Jeff Bezos, is one of the richest people in the world. Amazon is a giant in the e-commerce industry, with its founder Jeff Bezos being one of the richest people in the world. The company reported $386 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2020 and has a market capitalization of around $1.7 trillion. Amazon is also involved in industries such as digital streaming, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Number 3, Microsoft, MSFT, current price, $296.05, average price over last 12 months, $258.40. Microsoft isn't another tech giant. It is known for its Windows operating system, Microsoft Office software, and cloud services. The company has shown resilience and adaptability through changing market conditions. Microsoft is a leading software and hardware company, known for its Windows operating system and Xbox gaming console. The company reported $168.1 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2021 and has a market capitalization of around $2.1 trillion. Microsoft is also involved in other industries such as online services and artificial intelligence. Number 4, Alphabet, Google, current price, $2,670.50, average price over last 12 months, $2,236. Alphabet is the parent company of Google, the world's most popular search engine. The company reported $182.5 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2020 and has a market capitalization of around $1.5 trillion. Alphabet is also involved in industries such as search, advertising, and autonomous vehicles. Number 5, Tesla, TSLA, current price, $865.80, average price over last 12 months, $767.60. Tesla is a relatively new player in the automotive industry, but it has quickly made a name for itself with its electric vehicles and clean energy solutions. The company reported $31.5 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2020 and has a market capitalization of around $700 billion. Number 6, Facebook, FB, current price, $404.70, average price over last 12 months, $341.50. Facebook is one of the largest social media companies in the world, with over 2 billion active users. The company reported $85.9 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2020 and has a market capitalization of around $1 trillion. Facebook is also involved in the digital advertising industry. Number 7, Nvidia, NVDA, current price, $322.40, average price over last 12 months, $310.90. Netflix is a popular streaming entertainment company, known for its original content and vast library of movies and TV shows. The company reported $24 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2020 and has a market capitalization of around $225 billion. Number 8, JP Morgan Chase, JPM, current price, $146.70. Average price over last 12 months, $138.40. JP Morgan Chase is a major player in the financial services industry, providing services such as banking, credit cards, and investments. The company reported $119.5 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2020 and has a market capitalization of around $450 billion. Number 9, Visa, V, current price, $228.39, average price over last 12 months, $209.70. Visa is a global payments technology company that enables secure and convenient digital payments for consumers, businesses, and governments. The company reported $23 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2020 and has a market capitalization of around $500 billion. Number 10, Procter & Gamble, PG, current price, $139.55, average price over last 12 months, $129.80. Procter & Gamble is a multinational consumer goods company that produces a wide range of products, including household cleaning products, personal care products, and baby care products. The company reported $76.1 billion in revenue in the fiscal year 2020 and has a market capitalization of around $342 billion. And there you have it, the top 10 stocks to invest in right now. Remember, investing always carries risk and it's important to do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. But with their strong financial performance, innovative products, and market dominance, these 10 companies are definitely worth considering for your investment portfolio. It's important to note that past performance does not guarantee future success, but these companies have proven themselves time and again. If you do decide to invest in any of these companies, make sure to keep an eye on their financial reports and any updates that may affect their performance. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on finance, investing, and business, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who may also find it helpful. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.